Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to another great day here at Perry Elementary. Today is Wednesday, April 17th of 2019. Here are some morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, just a reminder that there is no school this Friday, which is April 19th, in observance of our Easter holiday weekend. You do have school on Monday, on April 22nd, so do show up for school on Monday, but not Friday. Monday, come to school. Friday, don't come to school. 4th and 5th grade students, you have choir concert that is happening on Thursday at 6 o'clock at Belvedere High School at the PAC. So make sure that you get there at about 5:45 if you are participating in the choir. The performance will last about 45 minutes. Our April birthdays to announce for today would be Olivia Bullard. So happy birthday, Olivia. Hope you have a great day. And today's lunch choices are cheese quesadilla, chicken patty sandwich, or fiesta salad with corn or with tortilla chips. And today we have our pause sponsored by some second graders here. Alright, it's time for our pause, and we do have some second grade girls here to talk about pause for today.
Be quiet and work hard on art class. Don't just grab a book and just set it in different places. Be quiet in the library and put books back where you found them.
Good suggestions, guys. Thank you. Thank you, girls. Very good suggestions to use in the art room and library. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. Everyone have a great day today. And make some great choices. Remember, you control what kind of day you're going to make. So let's make sure that you have a great one by your great choices that you would do.